Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the device so you can record a FaceTime call reliably. Open Settings and confirm iOS is current, then add Screen Recording to Control Center. Once done, swipe to open Control Center and long press the screen record icon to choose microphone on or off. You want the mic active if you need your voice captured. Make sure Do Not Disturb is enabled to prevent interruptions, and position the iPhone so both participants start the FaceTime call exactly as you normally would. Join or initiate the conversation and let the other person know you are recording if required. Once the call is live, swipe to reveal Control Center and tap the screen record button to begin. You'll see a 3-second countdown. Return to FaceTime to record both video and audio. If you need a different view, switch cameras or pin a participant. Keep an eye on the red status bar indicating active recording. When you finish the conversation, tap the red status bar or go to Control Center and stop recording. The clip saves automatically to Photos. Open Photos to review and use the Edit tool to trim dead space at start or end. If the recording lacks audio, make sure microphone was enabled in the screen record options, check FaceTime microphone permissions in Settings, and restart the app. If the video is unstable, toggle Do Not Disturb and retry the call to reduce interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.